Good morning, beautiful people, and here we are in the parking lot. For today's plan is to drive all day long to reach the Norway border. It will be a long day on the road, but you know, I like driving, so I don't think it would be a problem. Right now is 9:25 and we're leaving this place. Let's ride. We stopped at the random place because I saw this. So we are nearby Norway. At the camping site at random camp nearby Norway border because we are tired and we want a rest for a bit. So I know it's a close nearby Norway, but for today is end of our road. We drive 465 kilometers today, and it was a huge challenge because the road was long. We drive about all day long with several stops, but still it's a long way. And actually I wanted to film one scene with the drone. It would be the drone shot, but I tried to turn off the drone controller and it doesn't turn on. I think it's broken, so I will try to fix it if it's possible. If it's not, oh well, I will try to figure out something. It's a sad moment, but I will try to figure out something. Maybe a new drone, maybe I managed to fix the old controller, because this is the second controller that it's broken. That's all for today, and I'll see you tomorrow when we'll be in Norway. See ya!